Friends, please welcome ang isang naging anak ko sa isang soap series a few years ago. At mahal po sa puso ko, mga kaibigan, napaka-talented na bata. Marunong kumanta, marunong mag-host, marunong umarte. At ngayon, isa na siyang nanay at asawa. Mga kaibigan, si Julia Clarete. Julia!
Hi, Takon!
Oh, nanay ka na.
Oo nga, pwede na.
Pag iniisip ko lang, nanay na talaga si Julia.
Ganun talaga. Maging mami.
Yung pagkamami ang talagang relish mo, tinetreasure mo ngayon. Ano yung feeling mo nung una mong nasilayan si Sebastian?
Ito pa, nung una ko siyang makita na sa, sa ganun.
Sa ultrasound. Okay. Nako.
Nung nakita ko siya sa TV, yung korte pa lang ng mukha niya, tapos nagkakamot-kamot na siya kaagad. Wala, naiyak na ako ng iyak. Pero yung hindi kayong humihikbi eh. Puro luha lang. Tapos
tears of delight. Tears of joy.
Delight, joy, parang relief, hope, love. Love for someone na, alam mo, hindi pa talaga
precious,
siya buo.
No? It's just so wonderful. It's a miracle of God. Right there in your womb.
And I appreciated my mom more now. I appreciate her more now.
Bakit? Meron ka bang mga feelings na mga kung ano-ano sa mga magulang mo noon?
Feeling ko lahat naman eh. I think lahat ng taong dumaan sa pagiging anak, nagkaroon ng kahit papano angst against their parents.
May rebelde stage. Ano yung ginagawa mo nung nagre-rebelde ka sa mga magulang mo? They were separated,
diba?
Yes,
they were separated.
So ano yung ginagawa mo para ipakita mo sa kanilang galit ka sa kanila?
Hindi ako maasa sa kanila.
Independent?
Parang, may pag ganun effect ako noon. Pero kasi yung angst ko, hindi katulad ng ibang bata na stage niyan, 16 to 18, na ganun. Akin, matagal.
Matagal?
Matagal. Malalim ang pinanggalingan. And then, malayo ang kinatapusan. Yung parang dinaanan. Ano
yung mga ginagawa mo? Alam ko, di ba, pag nagsisigarilyo ka nun, lumalayo ka sa akin.
Yeah, nagtatago sa banyo, pero amoy mo rin.
Wala naman ako sinasabi sa'yo na, wag, di ba? Pero,
andun yung guilt eh. Alam ko kasi hindi ko dapat ginagawa. It's something I could never do in front of my mom.
So what, feeling mo talaga ako yung mami mo?
Naman, no.
What were you doing pa aside from smoking?
I was drinking. And I got into shallow relationships. Kasi, na-realize ko now, reading about how to find myself, kasi I've been reading this book in Captivating.
Yes,
John and Stacey Eldridge. Yung women, when they're pounded, yung heart nila, their souls, when they're pounded, they tend to look for safe relationships. I went into safe relationships.
What you thought were safe relationships?
Yes, what I thought were safe relationships. Yung guys na I thought I had an upper hand on.
Ikaw ang ikaw
ako yung nakaka-manipulate.
In control.
Kasi parang I wanted to get back at people who parang made me feel powerless, made me feel not like nothing, ganon.
Why did you want to be in control? What was going on in your heart, in your life?
Siguro
Galit mo?
Yung anger ko kasi my first memory of my parents was my dad hurting my mom.
Okay.
That's my first memory.
So feeling mo, ayaw mo
So I
mag-hurt?
became a violent girl. Started sleeping with knives at 8.
You were sleeping with knives?
8 years old ako, may kutsilyo ako sa ilalim ng unan, hawak ko tutulog.
Parang pang-protekta ng sarili mo, gano'n?
Pag di ko hawak, hindi ako makatulog.
Nung nagtatrabaho ba tayo, may hawak kang kutsilyo?
Yes, Tita Cons, meron.
Talaga?
Pag hindi napapansin yan kasi nakatago.
Sa body mo? Palagi?
Sa body ko.
Ay, grabe. Dapat sabihin ko rin kay Ellie kasi leading man mo siya nun, di ba? Meron ka palang knife nakatago.
No, that's how I felt I could
Did you
protect
ever use
myself.
it?
On myself.
What did you do with the knife?
I hurt myself.
Did you try to kill yourself?
Many times. But it's okay now.
What was triggering it?
A lot of things. Siguro yun nga yung parang wala kang, hindi mo mailabas. Wala ka ng masaktang tao. Sakta mo yung sarili mo. Tsaka alam ko kasi namang mali manakit ang tao eh.
I'm sure that you've asked God for forgiveness for that and you've repented already from that.
Kasi kakatry ko, ako tuloy nawalan.
You know, Julia, you're 28. Diba? You're 28 ka lang.
Yes.
Ang dami pong magandang plano ng Panginoon sa'yo. Lagi kanyang pinoprotektahan, lagi kanyang binabalik on track. Diba?
Pansin ko nga eh. lahat ng pasukin kong gulo, lahat ng trouble na pasukin ko, palagi niya akong nire-rescue, palagi niya akong nilalayo.
Sige.
Binalik na.
Doon pala nanggagaling yung iyong mean streak, yung
Yes,
meron
violent streak.
Violent streak mo. Anyway, sa isang TV show,
Yeah.
you revealed about something that happened to you. Diba?
Yung abuse.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
you were sexually abused at
Yes.
age
7 or 8. I think it was 8.
7 or 8.
I think it was 8. When I started sleeping with knives.
So, bakit mo na-desisyonan na itong bahagi ng buhay mo, siwalat mo, sabihin mo sa mga manonood? Sagutin mo yan. Let's pause for a break first.
Okay.
Yan po, at marami pang mga ibang mga sasagutin ni Julia sa ating pagbabalik. Please stay with us.